morning, everyone. It's a gloomy Monday, I guess you would say. We're on our way to get a bucket truck. We'll be there in a few minutes. Taking it back to the Great Lakes. I don't know what size bucket truck or anything. I just know it's a bucket truck. Gonna be one of these bad boys up here somewhere. Oh, it's oh, at least I know where that one trailer come from right now. Let's see. Customer entrance. I'm not a customer, but we're gonna go in that way. I'm assuming it's one of these boys. All-wheel drive ones. Hello. How you doing?
Fine, how are you?
Not too bad. I'm here to pick up a bucket truck going to Freightliner.
Going to Freightliner?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
I didn't know this place was here.
Hello there.
Hello. Y'all got a bucket truck I'm picking up, taking to the Freightliner?
Yes, it's in the corner, south corner of the shop. I can meet you down there.
Okay. What's wrong with it?
No start.
Yeah, we'll just see how this one works out. I hate when they say no start, because they always, oh, is it in the shop? Yes, it is. See if I can hook it from there. Is it an all-wheel drive?
No.
Kind of looks like it.
Oh, no, it is. Yes, sir. Hey, where's your keys at to unlock this truck?
Is this all the way all-wheel drive or what? Or do you know?
That I couldn't tell you.
If not, I got to tow it from the front. Yeah, it's all-time all-wheel drive. So I got to tow it from the front. I'm assuming that don't move either, does it?
It probably could, but our techs are on break right now, and it looks like he's got stuff on the part on that.
Crap.
Give me a minute.
Yeah, going all-wheel drive would be nice.
You upload on social media?
Yeah. YouTube.
YouTube, what's your channel?
Rocket the Squirrel 8083.
I'm gonna have to look that up.
Yeah.
I noticed the GoPro, so I
Yeah, yeah.
figured you'd do that. Is it Rocket Squirrel?
Rocky.
Rocky. You can type it in if you want.
Yeah. There you go. You're
So
subscribed.
people like watching other people work. It's strange, but
Yeah.
it's
Hey, I'm okay with it. They can watch me all they want.
right.
I get a little criticism, which everybody's gonna.
Yeah. Well, the thing is there's people on TikTok making other people's salary just by recording what they're
Oh,
doing. You know what
yeah.
I'm saying? It's insane. That's what I want to do with this job, but they got like a privacy thing and
Yeah.
can't show much.
He's slowly walking back. This ain't gonna be good.
It is not movable right now, but he can work on getting it.
No, I guess I could just winch it out. So, got any air in it, or do you know?
Good. One day we can air it up real quick if we need us to.
It may have enough. You mind helping me steer it out?
Yeah.
All right. What I'm gonna do is I'll just back up to a hook and winch line, and I'll just pull it out. That way. All right. Thanks, man. Appreciate it. All right, everybody. It's all-wheel drive all the time. It has lock or all-wheel drive. So when they're like that, the dry shaft in the front sometimes is harder to fucking pull than the one in the rear. So I'd rather just pull it out here and do it right. Because there ain't no sense in doing it half behind and then then it ends up biting you in the butt in the long run. So now if it was two-wheel drive, I'd have just towed it from the rear and been done with it. But it's not, so we're not gonna deal with that. I ain't gonna make the guys work any harder than they have to. When they're helpful, you just do what you gotta do and be done with it. Trying to be lazy sometimes just don't work.
We can pull that other truck out if you just want back end and hook.
Oh, okay. Well, they said the other one don't run,
Oh,
so.
it runs. He was just being lazy.
Oh, okay.
We're making him move it now.
Oh, well, I'm trying not to make nobody weep. If y'all willing to help me, I'm not gonna make.
Yeah, he can move it.
Okay.
You ain't gotta hook, unhook, and
Okay.
do all that.
Yeah, this one's just all wheel and full wheel, so
Yeah.
I don't want to take a chance of messing anything up. So do it right first time. Won't have to worry about it.
Timmy, you want need me in there then?
No, I guess not.
All right.
I guess whenever he's ready, he'll yank this thing out.
All right. I appreciate it, guys. All right, I'll go around the other way. Thanks, guys. So I'm gonna lower my boom a little bit. We'll just have to watch when we go. Oh, you know what I didn't do? How do y'all not remind me of that last night? Because we weren't there, right? That's why. Like, sometimes you gotta make it work, whether you want to or not. Well, I gained me a follower. Oh man, getting out of here is gonna be fun. Well, I'm gonna back. I think I'm just gonna back straight out. It's probably gonna be the easiest way to get out of here. Let's wait and see. It may be easier to back out. Back on there anyway. I want to make it frontwards, so. What are you talking about? It's just a fit in here. Knock the mirrors off. Little crooked. I need to be over that way just a little more. Off. I'm gonna go this way just a little bit. Trying to hit my mirror. That way just a little bit. Not much room. That might have to suffice. I'm probably gonna have to back out. I don't think I'll have enough room to make it one way or the other.
Taking it all the way out, or you leaving it hanging there, ratchet trapping it up?
I'm gonna hang it back up.
Where's this creeper at? On the other side, probably.
Man, bro, you're amazing.
I worked for a towing company for 7 years.
I love you. All right, this is all-wheel drive, so if everything, if I lined up good enough,
Do you have the bigger swivel?
you don't even need a swivel with mine. Hold on.
Or the regular size? Other than 13 or whatever the hell they are?
Should be half inch. Is it not half inch?
It's not the 12.
All right, that's half inch.
Yeah.
You might.
No, it's bigger.
It has to be half inch. If it's not half inch, then I don't know what it is. Should be half inch though. I'm hoping I can stretch out far enough to grab. Sometimes I do use the taller ones, but I don't think I guys are any that good, so.
You got a ratchet strap or anything?
Oh, yeah, just give me a second, I'll help you.
Yo! Done with it? What's that? There's your ratchet strap.
Okay.
Hey, all you gotta do is push the yellow button and stretch them out.
Okay.
Get more. Thank you, sir. Sometimes you get good help on these things, man. When you do, you take them.
PTO. It'd be a bad day if we turned that PTO on right now. Fucking high pressure filter's off hanging there.
That's not good.
No, it would make one hell of a mess.
Need help? We good?
That should be good. I'll figure out the crap a little bit.
Yeah, it could be a pain.
Oh, you wind it back up. We might have to.
Oh yeah, we're gonna have to. Let's see.
You think you want the other one too?
Yeah, we'll put it on there for a safety precaution.
Sounds good.
Get up.
You going all the way up over?
Well, I was going to try, but I don't know if I can.
No, because it's not a big tough frame, you won't be able to.
Alright.
Let's go back farther. Go back to here. Nope, I can't get my hands through back there.
Alright, let's see. I'm just trying to find some other way to grab it. Actually, can you drop it on the back side of that tank to go around the whole tank?
Yeah, maybe. Yep. Let it fall through here. There we go.
Then, do that. Give it a, oh, this one don't want to suck in. Alright.
I got your clamps I put back in and taking them down.
Alright.
So the bolts are in there.
Alrighty. What's your name?
Dusty.
Dusty, thank you, man.
Yep.
Alright.
Just watch your lifting. You're doing that. Never mind.
All right, I'm gonna see if I.
Backing out?
Yeah, I'll back out and I'll
Do you
fish.
want to back clear across the road and then make the turn, or you want to turn in our driveway? Well, I can back you all the way across the road if you want.
Yeah, that's probably a good idea. And then that way, then I'll put my light bar and everything on over there, just double check everything.
I'll back you up first, put it on an hour lock, because they're moving stuff out across the street.
Okay. Oh, just watch the boom if you would, please. Great guys here, guys. Help me out a lot. Worst part is just getting straight outside the doors. Make sure you don't hit a mirror or anything like that. It's not enough room for me to make the turn back there. Watch my mirrors myself. Make sure we don't hit. Alright, let me put my light bar on real quick, check the height and everything. And then
Right around the building too.
okay. I appreciate all y'all's help, man.
No problem.
Thanks again, Dustin.
You take care.
Alright, buddy. So we're not gonna lift it up any higher. That's pretty good on height. You can see. We will put safety chains on it. We are way out of area. Well, not way out of area, but enough that there's always a chance that DOT can screw with us. We don't need none of that. Great guys here, guys. I think it's Altec, the boom company. I think. Don't hold me to it. I think it is Altec. I don't remember. But great guy. You seen Dusty and my new guy that followed me. He, yep, Altec Services. They did really good at helping me out, and I appreciate it, guys. You don't get that a lot anymore at shops. A lot of times those guys get there and, you know, everybody has their preferred tow company. And, you know, you get to some of them, and some of them, they just want to take care of everybody because, you know, they're just good people like that. And then you get to others where they, their preferred tow company is like Bob the Builder. And so they try to make things hard on you, and it's really dumb, but it does happen, and it's a pain for us. But ow, hopefully I can get video on that. We're not going through any bad dips. We should be all right. I don't want to jack that up too high. usually helps them. All right, as y'all can see, everything's loaded. Light bar, they helped me with the drive shaft. Got air to it. High enough for the boom. Should be good. Probably gonna have to put it in a bay over there. All right, everyone. Thank y'all for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. Have a good one.